DJ Flame It Up.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kiana and I have a whole nother setup, but this is just temporary right now. I'm being really lazy. I am going to be twisting my hair on my new cut that I did myself. I am using the Afrosheen styling cream gel. Also, I'm using their foam. So we're going to see how this twist out is going to come. If you hadn't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over and let's jump right into it. Alright, so I did get the new Afrosheen styling products from curlbox. They had a deal where you get I think it's like 4 products for $20, and that was like a really good deal because I just always wanted to try this line. So what came in the box was, which I'm using right now, is the texture styling cream gel, and I am using the texture foam. And it also came in the box, there was their cream styler, which I am not using today. I may use that for like a braid out or something, but I'm just going to be using these 2 products today. It also did come with an oil. I'm going to use the oil just to oil my scalp. Like, you know, I'm not really big on oils. Like, an oil is an oil to me. So yeah, I already started with the back and the front on this section, and as you can see, my hair is super moisturized. You see the shine. My twist looks so much healthier because I gave myself that nice trim. I'm going to insert pictures of before and after when I cut my hair, but as you can see, like, my twist looks so juicy. I did the back as well in this section, so we're just going to tackle the front right here. So I'm going to be looking in my mirror to show you exactly my technique of how I'm using these 2 products together. So I am also starting off on blown out hair, so I'm just going to put that out the way over here, and I'm going to start on this section here. So because my hair is a little dry, I want to make sure I use this as much as I can to make sure it's moisturized. So the texture is very like creamy. It's not thick, it's more of like that looser texture because this is a cream gel. I never used a cream gel before, so I'm not too sure exactly what the hold is on this. It definitely says it gives you a nice hold, but you know, we don't know exactly how much of a hold it's going to be. But because my hair is blowing out, my hair is going to revert, which is okay. This is the reason why I'm not using any water on my section, because as you can see, I do have a little bit of definition right now. To get the max definition, this styling foam is going to bring it. I love the consistency of it. 3 pumps is enough for me, and you just rub it together and you put it on. Now watch how these curls form. So you smooth it in, and you can see it's right there. So now I know this is my frizz prone section, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the cream gel. Both says they give you super hold, so you know, together let's see if they are a combo. And there we have it. Just comb the product through, and there is the curl definition. As you can see, my hair is super short. Well, it's not super short, but it definitely is shorter than what I had before. So I'm going to twist it up, split that into 2, and I'm just going to twist. And my ends are so perfect, okay? My hair has not been looking right at all during this quarantine days, and I've been really not interested in doing my hair. But let me tell you something, okay? My haircut is here, so that means styling my hair is going to go back to every single week because my hair is back. So as you can see, like, my twist that I have done looks super juicy, and I'm just twisting along right now, and I'm gonna twist it right there, and there we go. Look at it, and it's going to shrink up. And yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. So let's try another section. So these products are super affordable. I'm gonna list down below where you can pick these up, but it's nice to see that an old school brand has made a comeback. So I make sure I get my ends, because my ends, you want to make sure they are curling. So I'm going to comb this through. Just to make sure, because you want your twist out to be as smooth as possible. I'm adding the foam, 3 pumps of the foam, and then add more if necessary. And I add it all over. Now this part is really not frizz prone, but look at the curls. Okay, do you not see the definition? Okay, so I'm going to add a little bit more of the styler just in case to give me a little bit more hold, and I'm going to comb it through just to make sure the product is distributed evenly. And you can just see it looks so good. So I'm going to split it into 2. and I'm going to twist. I have a feeling this is going to be a nice twist out. I don't know. My first twist out on my cut hair. Just to let you know, this is my frizz perm section right here, like right here in the front. So I just want to make sure that is really defined with products before I go any further. And there we have it. It is super defined. If you need to comb your ends, please do, so you could just make sure that it is smooth. And then you just coil the ends just like that. Is perfect. My hair did not do that before. Alright, so that is it. I just applied the product all over already. This is starting to dry. I'm gonna let this dry overnight, and I will be back tomorrow for the takedown so we can see exactly what happened. I'm excited. Alright, see you in the next clip. Hey guys, so I am back. It is the next day, and I still have my hair in the twist. So we are going to take it out on camera. So remember, so I'm going to use a little bit of my oil just to apply it, just to like cut out some of the frizz. So rub this on, and I'm in the same spot. I just don't feel like putting together my little setup. So I'm gonna put my hair up so I could just deal with section by section. See how this is going to go, guys. So when you want to untwist, you just twist it the other way, and it's 2 equal parts. And okay, let's do the next one. Like, do you see the definition? This okay, I'm excited. This is how my hair is supposed to be like, okay guys? I'm like super happy right now that I decided to cut my hair because it was so bad, and I just knew it. I just knew. Look at that. Like, do you not see the definition? First off, this is a cream gel and mousse. Okay? Alright, so I do have this a little bit of flaking. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but I do have a little bit of flaking, but these results are good. I am like, what? Let's take out this section. Like, do you see the front of my hair? Alright, so I am flaking quite a bit. Wow. I'm shocked. First off, this definition is bomb. Okay, I'm not even like mad at it whatsoever. Like, I'm looking in the mirror and I'm just like, wow. So I do have quite a few flakes. I do have quite a few flakes. Alright, let's just fluff. So when you're separating it, you just want to pull on it and then it will just separate. So you just want to take it from there and wherever it just wants to break apart at. So you see I just pull it and then you can see that it's just gonna break apart. Alright, so this is the first side and that definition is sick, okay? I just really wish that it just wasn't flaking. It looks so good. My hair really needed that cut. It really did need that cut. I'm just like shocked, and I can still separate more and more. Guys, it just looks so good. Alright Alright guys, so I just took out all of the twists and my hair looks so good. One of the good qualities of having a shape, because you don't really have the fluff because it's already in layers. So you can see I have like my heart shape, which I wanted, and I did it all by myself. This is how it's looking. Only like fluff to cover up my back part. But yeah, it doesn't really need much fluffing whatsoever because it's already big, and I just love it so much. So quickly, let's run through. These products are affordable. You can find them in your local beauty supply store. Again, I got these from Curlbox. I think it was like $20 for the box. Each product in the store is about $7.49 each. So first off, I did use a styling gel cream. And I really did like this product. It gave me moisture. My hair is a little bit dry right now, but applying this, my hair was moisturized, and also I did put it on dry hair. Right now it does feel a little bit dry, but I think that's because of the foam. But I do have flakes, so I don't think like these are a good combo, but I really did love this. I use not much inside, but definitely will use this again to see how it will look with a wash and go. When I was applying this product, I didn't get as much definition. It was defining, but like my frizz prone areas that I know of just wasn't getting the definition, so that's why I decided to use the texture foam. So this product definitely says long lasting hold, and I can definitely say I do have lots of hold, guys. Okay, lots of hold, but I did pair it up with the foam. I just don't like the flakes. My hair never really flakes at all. This is like the second time my hair ever flaked when using a product, so I'm not really a fan of that. But I honestly think that it's because these two wasn't a good mixture together. Maybe I needed to add less of the styling gel and more of the foam, or more gel and less of the foam. So I don't know, but I don't know, I think I'll definitely try this again because I do have flakes. But let's just see what happens as the days go on. But yeah, I just love my hair so much. Like, my cut just looks amazing, and I'm just so shocked. So that is the end of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Kingston Curves, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.